and one among them is a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3abc. Already I mentioned it in some other point and I give you some examples also. But once again, these type of problems we won't discuss in previous points, and that's why here at 33. Okay, just look there. See, related to the first problem, x minus y whole cube plus y minus z whole cube plus z minus x whole cube divided by x minus y into y minus z. Okay, see how it is works. How it works? Just have a look. See, a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. Here for the first problem, in the numerator there are three terms with cubes, so treat them like a cube, b cube and c cube. And what is a? X minus y. So related to this first problem, for the numerator only, for the numerator itself, a value is x minus y and b value is y minus z and c value is z minus x. If you treat these x minus y, y minus z and z minus x as a, b, c, a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Right. First of all, you just think about these sum of these three numbers. What you say about this a plus b plus c? And clearly here a plus b plus c is 0, right? And since a plus b plus c is 0, as I mentioned to you, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. So this numerator directly will become 3 times of a, x minus y, b means y minus z, c means z minus x, and divided by, as they given, x minus y into y minus z. And if you cancel out that x minus y and y minus z, your answer at the end is 3 times of z minus x. Okay, that's one of the problem. Is it clear? And whereas coming to the b, whereas here b here in this case, again you just think about it. See, something cube and something cube. See, once pay your attention on the bases like a, b, c. Here the base is what? X square minus y square. And here it is y square minus z square. Here it is z square minus x square, symmetrical. Just like x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. Here you need to treat that a, b, c as for the numerator x square minus y square, y square minus z square minus x square. Here again sum of these three numbers is 0. So this numerator is just nothing but 3 times of x square minus y square into y square minus z square into z square minus x square. That's the numerator. And whereas coming to the denominator, just we discussed it a. So in the same logic, and the denominator is 3 times of x minus y into y minus z into z minus x. And now we need to go for the cancellations. Okay, how to do cancellations? See, here 3 and 3 will get cancelled, and now x square minus y square by x minus y. X minus y, for x plus y times it cancels x square minus y square, and y minus z, for y plus z times it cancels y square minus z square, because we know that y minus z into y plus z as y square minus z square, and this z minus x cancels this z square minus x square for z plus x times, since the product is what? Z square minus x square. At the end you left with these three terms as a product, and your answer here it is x plus y into y plus z into z plus x. So see, for the b bit your answer is this x plus y into y plus z into z plus x. Okay, in these two relations I just used that sum of a, b and c as 0. Okay, just think about this a and b, and then I will erase it and then I will discuss c because of the space. Okay, just think about a and b. See, for c it is 17 cube minus 30 cube plus 13 cube. Okay, see, you just start with that 17 cube minus 30 cube plus 13 cube. I will just rewrite it like this: 17 cube plus of minus 30 cube plus 13 cube. Nothing is wrong here. Why? Because minus 30 cube is just nothing but minus 30 whole cube, because minus cube will give us minus, and that minus again looks like this, and this is equals to, see, something cube and something cube. Treat this 17 minus 30 and 13 as a, b, c. So this is equals to a cube plus b cube plus c cube. And for what is a? For a is equals to 17, b is equals to minus 30, C is equals to 13, and if you check, the summation is 0. And since the summation is 0, this A cube plus B cube plus C cube is 3ABC. So directly I am writing it as 3 into 17 into minus 30 into 13. So this value is directly equals to that 3 into 17 into minus 30 into 13. And coming to this problem, now the numerator is 3 into 17 into minus 30 into 13 divided by, as they given, it is 51. And now go for the cancellations. This 17 3s, 51 and 51 will get cancelled. At the end you left with 13 3s, 390, and your answer is minus 390. So always if A cube and B cube, C cube are involved, you need to check whether that A plus B plus C is 0 or not. If that A plus B plus C is 0, then directly you can go with that A cube plus B cube plus C cube as 3ABC. Is it clear? Yeah. Just have a look, and I will give you B here. Okay. Something like this. See, A plus B plus C is 0. A cube plus B cube plus C cube is 3ABC. Based on this relation, still there are some other problems. Okay. For example, a problem will be like this. D. Okay. I will give you something like A minus 2B plus 4C whole cube plus 3A plus B minus C whole cube plus C minus B minus A whole cube divided by 3 times of A minus 2B plus 4C as well as 3 plus B minus C is equals to how much? That's the question. Okay? Or otherwise you just leave about the denominator, first think about the numerator. See, if they ask you to find this particular value, how to find? See, we need to think about the numerator. If you think the numerator, something cube and something cube and something cube, you just treat this something as some x, and this something as some y, and this something as some z. If you treat in such a manner, then the problem will become like this. How? X cube plus y cube plus z cube by 3xy, and that's the given problem. X cube plus y cube plus z cube by 3xy. But what is x and what is y and what is z here? Okay, here x is equals to a minus 2b plus 4c, and y is equals to 3a plus b minus c, and z is equals to c minus b minus a. Okay, you just add these three now. X plus y plus z. See, we know the rule in terms of a, b, c. This is clear. And if a plus b plus c is 0 is given. Okay, this is the given thing actually. A plus b plus c is 0 is given for these problems. If it is given, then we go for like that. Okay. If you add that x, y and z, x plus y plus z, if you add, what will happen? If you add, a and a will get cancelled. Okay. I need to make something. Here you need to take 2a. Okay. Right. So a plus 3a is 4a minus 2a is 2a. This b and b will get cancelled, and I will get here minus 2b. This c and c will get cancelled. See, I need to make that a plus b. I need to make benefit of that a plus b plus c 0 here. So according to that, I need to change the problem also. See, treat this as a plus 2b. Yeah, and then if you c get cancelled, I need 2c, right? So take here also 2c. So if the problem is like this, just I am framing the question here. See, I may come under some mistakes there. So if you now add it, 3a plus a is 4a minus 2a is 2a. Okay, and then this I mark it as 2 plus 2b. B and B get cancelled, I left with plus 2b. C and C get cancelled, I left with plus 2c. So 2 times of a plus b plus c. Since a plus b plus c is 0, this 2a, 2b, 2c is 0. That means this x plus y plus z is 0. That means this numerator will become like 3xyz. So divided by 3xy. So you left with z. and z is just nothing but this c minus b minus 2a, and that's your answer at the end. Just I framed a question based on that a plus b plus c is 0. Okay, this is a rule actually, but for the problems what we did in 33, if given a plus b plus c is 0, then only there is a chance to discuss all these problems. Okay, if a plus b plus c is 0, okay, for debate, given a plus b plus c is equals to 0, then we need to find out this particular value, and at the end your answer is z, and that z is c minus b minus 2a. Just have a look, and then I will give you next problem. A value is given as 2020, B value is minus 1009, and C value is minus 1011. These three values are given, and they are asking us to find this value. What is the resultant value of this algebraic expression? Okay, yeah. See, one thing is here A, B, C are given. First, you just observe these values in such a way that a plus b plus c is equals to 0. Is it right? If you add these three numbers, see 2020 it is again but with minus signs, so a plus b plus c is 0. Since a plus b plus c is 0, I have a chance that b plus c is equals to minus a by sending that a that side. And similarly, say plus a is equals to minus b, and a plus b is equals to minus c. From that a plus b plus c is equals to 0. Now, see, since we need to find this particular value, from there you just replace the denominators b plus e, c plus a and a plus b with this minus a minus b minus c. Then how the problem will become? So then in the next step, a power 4 divided by b plus a is minus a plus b power 4 divided by c plus a is minus b plus c power 4 is divided by a plus b is minus c plus 3abc. And now a power 4 by minus a power 4 by minus a is just minus a cube, b power 4 by minus b is minus b cube, c power 4 by minus c is minus c cube plus 3abc. Right. And now since a plus b plus c is 0, there is a chance to use the same logic. A cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. So here you just common out minus of a cube plus b cube plus c cube, these three terms, plus 3abc. Okay. Since a plus b plus c is 0 and a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc, you just replace this summation with 3abc. So minus 3abc plus 3abc is equals to 0. So at the end, the value of this algebraic expression is 0 for these values. Just have a look. Go for a screenshot. Right, look at the board, 35th problem. See, already we discussed about different relations if a plus b plus c is equals 0 in the last class as well as in this class also. But this is another one. A plus b plus c is 0 is given. So if a plus b plus c is 0, then these 6 items are equal. These 3 are symmetrical, these 3 are symmetrical. At the end, all the 6 are equal. That's first part we need to prove. So for that, you need to consider any one of the part like a square plus ab plus b square. See, if a square plus ab plus b square, now I am trying to show that a square plus ab plus b square is equals to b square plus bc plus c square. That's my plan first. What I am trying to show this as equals to the next. See, if you look these two, here a, b are involved and here b, c are involved. That in the sense, so I need to eliminate a from this equation. So to eliminate that, a square plus ab plus b square is one part. So this is equals to b square, okay, or otherwise you may say something like, or otherwise you may start with so b square plus a square plus ab. From there you just common out a, you will get that a into a plus b. B square plus a square plus ab is just nothing but a times of a plus b. Okay. And a plus b plus c is 0 as given. What you say about a plus b? Since a plus b plus c is 0 given, a plus b is what? Minus c. So replace this a plus b with minus c. Then this is equals to b square plus a into minus c, that is equals to b square minus ac. Just think about it. If you think it like that, this a square plus ab plus b square is b square minus ac. So this first one and this first one are equal. Okay. Okay. See, since a square plus ab plus b square, I am writing it like b square minus ac. Okay. Right. And in the other way, this is equals to b square minus c into, I need to change this a now. See, what is a? Minus b minus c. So I have a chance to replace it like minus b minus c. And this is equals to b square minus of minus plus bc minus of minus plus c square. There ends the task actually. A square plus ab plus b square is equals to b square minus ac is equals to b square plus bc plus c square. In the same way, similarly, if you start with the next one, similarly, if you start with b square plus bc plus c square, as we discussed in this case, if you go, you will get it is equals to c square minus ab, and again if you go further, you will get that this is c square plus ac plus a square. And here this b square plus bc plus c square is a common thing in these two. So at the end, these two are equal, these two are equal, these three are equal. And at the end, these two are equal, these two are equal, these two are equal, all these 6 items are equal. No need to prove everything. Okay? Since all they are symmetrical, if you analyze these two, then it is final that those 6 are equal. Just have a look and then think about second bit. See, now think about second bit. It is also somewhat logical actually. See, the first bit we showed that this a square plus ab plus bc, see a square plus ab plus b square, these two are equal as we mentioned in the first bit. Okay. So now you just take, all these are equal, right? So you just take that a square plus ab plus b square is equals to b square plus bc plus c square is equals to c square plus ca plus a square. These three are equal if a plus b plus c is 0, that's clear. Since these two are equal, you just take it as some t. These three are equal to something and you say it as t, no problem. And now you just take your left hand side, the problem. Okay, left hand side of the second bit. See, what is the left hand side of the second bit? A square plus ab plus b square whole cube, and since I take it as t, so this is equals to t cube, plus here it is again t cube, and that is again t cube. T cube plus t cube plus t cube is what? 3t cube, and that 3t cube is nothing but 3 into t. So again I have a chance to replace this t with any one of these three. So if I replace first t with a square plus ab plus b square, and second t with b square plus bc plus c square, and third t with c square plus ac plus b square, there ends the problem. You just have a look. See, if a plus b plus c is equals to 0, we need to prove the second one. For that, we are using the first one. Since these three are equal, let it as some t. So the left side of the second part is 3t cube, and it is 3 into t. There ends the right side. Just have a look. So these three are equal, like x minus y whole square, x minus y into y minus z, and y minus z whole square. These three are equal. And to show that these three are equal, see, we have to use the previous 35th one. And for that, you just take x minus y is equals to a, y minus z is equals to b, z minus x is equals to c. If you consider like that, then if you add a, b, c, and that a, b, c is clearly 0, because this side x cancel, y cancel, z cancel. A plus b plus c is 0. And since a plus b plus c is 0, then as we discussed in 35, a square plus ab plus b square is equals to b square plus bc plus c square is equals to c square plus ca plus a square. That's we have in our hands. And now what is A, what is B, what is C? A is this x minus y, B is this y minus z, C is z minus x. If you replace these A, B, C in these three expressions, hence it is clear. Okay, just have a look. Next 37. Okay, some different logics of algebra. 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is equals to 1 by a plus b plus c is given. If this statement is given, using this we need to show these three parts as equal. First part, second part and third part. These three are equal. That's what we need to show using this 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is equals to 1 by a plus b plus c. Okay. How to show it? For that you do one thing. You just start with this given relation. Okay. Given 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is equals to 1 by a plus b plus c. Okay. For simplification, you just send any one of these three terms to that side. So what I am doing is 1 by a plus 1 by b is equals to 1 by a plus b plus c minus 1 by c. 1 by a plus 1 by b is equals to 1 by a plus b plus c minus 1 by c. Now you just took LCM both sides. Here in this side, b plus a divided by ab. And this side, c minus of a plus b plus c divided by c times of a plus b plus c. Just by taking the LCM, b plus a by ab, c minus of this a plus b plus c by c into a plus b plus c. Okay. And the next step, this implies left side is directly a plus b by ab. Then what you say about the right side? See, the right side, if you think about it, see, minus a minus b minus c and c will get cancelled. You left with minus a plus b divided by c times of a plus b plus c. Okay. Now here you just don't cancel that a plus b because we don't know whether it is 0 or not. If it is not 0, then okay to cancel. If it is 0, then there is no possibility of cancellation. For that you just do cross multiplication. Okay. What I am doing is this is what a plus b into c into a plus b plus c is equals to minus ab of a plus b. Is it right? Minus ab of a plus b. And this is a plus b into c times of a plus b plus c. Now drag this term to the left side and common a plus b. Okay. See, if you go with simple calculations, you get that it has a plus b into b plus c into c plus a is equals to 0. That's the end part. Okay. See, 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is equals to 1 by a plus b plus c. At the end will give us a plus b into b plus c into c plus a as 0. Again start with this and then we need to show these three as equal. First of all, just have a look, make a screenshot and then I will continue. If a plus b into b plus c into c plus a is equals to 0, then it means that any one of these three is 0. That implies a plus b is equals to 0 or b plus c is equals to 0 or c plus a is equals to 0. Okay. See, if a plus b is equals to 0, then b is equals to minus a. If b plus c is equals to 0, c is equals to minus b. If c plus a is equals to 0, a is equals to minus c. Or and or. Any one of these three will happen because it is or. So start with any one of these. Okay. Consider any one of these three. In all the cases, there is a chance to prove they are equal. Okay. So I will highlight this b is equals to minus a. I am considering that b is equal to minus a and I will show these three are equal. Or if you consider that c is equal to minus b, then also there is a chance to show these three as equal. Okay. So it's your choice. You just do for one of these three and that's enough. For the remaining two also it is acceptable. So I am starting with this b is equals to minus a. If I start with this b is equals to minus a, what is my first part? Okay. See, think about the first part. What is my first part? 1 by a power 2021. So 1 by a power 2021 plus 1 by b power 2021. B is what? Minus a power 2021 plus 1 by c power 2021. See, this minus a power odd number gives you minus. So 1 by a power 2021 minus 1 by a power 2021 plus 1 by c power 2021. These two will get cancelled, and this 1 by c power 2021 is answer for the first part. Then think about this second part. For the second part, a plus b plus c. Here considering b minus a. So 1 by a plus b plus c power 2021 is nothing but 1 by 0 plus c power 2021. That means 1 by c power 2021. Second part is also the same as with the first part. Now think about the third part. See, again you need to replace b with the minus a. So if you replace like that, 1 by a power 2021 plus minus a power 2021 plus c power 2021. Here again these two will get cancelled because it gives you minus. So at the end this is again 1 by c power 2021. So if b is equals to minus a, if you consider, then in that case these three parts are equal to 1 by c power 2021. Or if you consider another part, another thing like c is equal to minus b, then also you will get that these three as equal. Okay, just have a look, one of the logical problem of this identities. Okay, 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is 1 by a plus b plus c, then those three parts are equal. Okay, just have a look.